Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to actually show you guys two signs. Pay attention guys. Two good signs why people will be fooled in this market drop that we are currently having. Two signs people will be fooled big time in this drop we are currently having. So watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you understand this video, right? Now pay attention. The stock market is currently dropping aggressively. We have not said drop, crashing, right? So guys, I'm going to actually show you technical analysis that position that tells us that the crash might be over. So pay attention to this, right? We are currently seeing the stock market. This is what I'm going to actually show you two. One is going to be from the stock market, and another one is going to be from the crypto market, right? So pay good attention. Now we are having a flash crash here in the stock market, right? A flash crash in the stock market. And what actually happened? That flash crash actually came. You saw that flash crash. That is where we are currently right now. But let us look at, based on history, what has happened to the stock market. Ladies and gentlemen, pay attention to this, right? In the recent crash that actually happened, this was a sustainable crash. Why? Because the crash was up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This was sustainable. Now, let's look at the previous crash that actually happened before we enter 2021, which is this crash over here. I think this was 2019 crash, right? We saw a huge crash. This was unsustainable, right? You can actually see how this was sustainable crash dropping all the way, right? But look at this emergency crash. What happened? Emergency crash. We actually saw a straight line. This was not even showing a wave just like what this one did. A flash crash. A flash crash. That is what happened here. This was 2019, I guess so, right? And then what actually happened? We immediately saw a rise in the market, just like this, recovery in the market, right? And now, this was a sustainable move, but this was a flash crash that actually happened. Now, what is currently happening in the stock market right now? My brother, my sister, we are actually having a flash crash in the stock market, and also flash crash. You can actually see here, just as what happened in 20, just as what happened before we entered 2021 back then, right? So that crash is currently happening, and that crash is currently happening. Now pay attention to what I'm going to say again, right? Now anytime we come to this zone, we have actually know that this is the last stop for the crash that happens, right? So that crash happens, we are going to see a strength back up, right? The crash happened here. We have actually understand that this is the level that where the crash stop, and that is what we actually having right now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I have to say to what is currently happening in the stock market right now. So right now we are actually having that crash, and the crashes have actually gone below, just based in history. Look at, ladies and gentlemen, look at, right? So let our people be fooled. Now ask yourself question: where are we? Where are we? Look at, bro. Look at this, my sister. Look at this, my brothers. Look at, right? We anytime we come to this zone bounce, anytime we come to this zone bounce, we are at that same zone again. I can tell you that this will be the biggest opportunity in the stock market for those who are actually investing in the stock market. I'm not actually investing in the stock market, but this could be the biggest opportunity to invest in the stock market. Now, let's go back to crypto, right? I'm going to show you this. I'm going to actually show you this one more last sign. Now, guys, we have another one here which is called Fear and Greed Index. I have been telling my community about this. I have been warning my community about this. Whenever this is a sign, this is another sign that we need to actually pay attention in the crypto market. Now we are talking about the crypto market right now. We have gone out of the stock market, and right now we are talking about the crypto market, right? Whenever we come to this zone, we actually understand that that is the zone of an opportunity. Whenever we come to this zone, It's always an opportunity. Right now, we are in that zone. And we also understand that anytime we come to this level, we actually saw a fear in the market, which will lead us to a great bounce in the market. Right? The same thing actually happened here, bounce. We actually happen, it is currently happening again, right? So these are two signs you should be fearful if you're actually studying your crypto right now, right? Because in the next few months or in the next few weeks, because this drop will be over very, very fast. And what I want now to say is that it will happen unexpected when people don't expect it, right? What we're actually having right now is the fear of reception by because of this Trump tariff that is currently doing, increasing tax and all that, right? That is what is currently trending, and people are calling for restriction. Brother, my sister, when you see something like that, just know that the market will follow another path that people don't know. So the market don't like playing what 99% think. So if you go around the market right now, you're going to see, oh, crash and crash, resection, and all that. That is what is currently trending right now. They call for resection. And you know what the market do. The market can never follow what 99% are thinking. The market will do what 1% are thinking. So why everybody is thinking about resection, the market is going down, why everybody is actually distracted by all these things, my brother, my sister, pay attention. In the next few weeks, you can actually see a huge run in the crypto market. By the way, make sure to join Crypto Hunters Academic. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. And I swear, like, share this video. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace. Goodbye.